Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to be showing you the makeover we did for Jordan's office. So as you can see here, this is the before. It is very purple, it's very disorganized, there's a lot going on, so we're going to transform it. So first things first, we are taking everything out of the office except for the gun safe. We moved it to the middle of the room and that was enough room to paint around it. Alright, so first things first, we are getting some paint over top of that delightful purple color in this room. So the color that we chose was Amazon Green. It's by Benjamin Moore and it is such a beautiful color. I'm so happy with it. It really brings out the wood accents. The purpley brown tone that was in there before just was doing nothing for the space. So I'm really excited to show you guys how this color came out, but very happy with it and would highly suggest. I get all of my colors color matched over at Deluxe Paint. So if you guys are looking for some paint, they have a great selection, and yeah, if you have AMA, you actually get like a bit of a discount and whatnot. So if you have any more paint questions, let me know in the comments. As I was going through with this color, I was sure it was only going to take one coat. It just covered so well, but I did actually end up doing 2 coats. You can see little tiny bits when you just do one coat, little tiny spots that you missed with a roller or didn't go as heavy. So you always want to make sure that you do 2 coats of paint no matter how well you think the first coat covered. So I added a few small details to this room. One of them was building this little makeshift base for the gun safe and just painting it black just to make everything look a little more streamlined than it did before. And continuing on with the small details, I am just painting up these boards that we cut so that I can put the bow mounts into them instead of into the wall. The bow mounts make quite a large hole in the wall and it was a lot easier to center onto the studs using this board. So just going ahead and painting it the wall color and then just mounting them onto the wall. As you can see, the first time I put it up the wrong direction, but I figured it out, back on track. And another thing that made such a huge difference in this room is this brand new bar table that we had built by the Knotty Craftsman. I was so excited to get to partner with them again. She just makes the most beautiful pieces. Our laundry room table that you'll see in an upcoming video was also made by her and it's just amazing. So I'm so happy with how this came together. Alright, so I have the bows hung and I just had to center these onto the studs. It was a lot easier. We also use these like bow hooks. I didn't want to put them right into the wall, so I made the mounts for them. I think they worked out very well. And then I just moved the 2 desks back in here. This is just the main computer that we have, and then Jordan's got a couple laptops and stuff. diffuser, and then that little set of hooks is just going to be for, he's got like a few bags and whatnot. So I'm going to get started on kind of decorating this side and setting everything back up. Okay, so one of the other DIYs I made for this room was this bullet clock. I think it's pretty cool. So if you guys want more details on this, I have a highlight saved over on my Instagram story, and you can go check it out, and it gives you all the details, but super easy.